This video will be describing how to use the Education Attainment Report. This report was designed for use by the Illinois Department of Human Services to provide an overview of the customer's initial education level, completed assessment results, and any education or vocational credits earned through participation in the EPIC study, whether they were control or treatment customers and as new cohort customers. From the EPIC dashboard, you want to go to the Reports tab, which is the bar graph looking item. Click that and the reports will open up. Scroll down to the Education Attainment Report. Click on that title. Select the DHS office that you want to select reports for, and then select the agency for which you want to obtain the customer reports. I'm going to select a Mid-South and a Safe Haven. Filter, once you click the filter button, it will give you a list of all of the customers associated from that office and that agency. If you want to export the customers to an Excel spreadsheet, then you can use that as a checklist. When you are working with the customers, if you select a customer over here by the checkbox, it will show you the customers that you have selected, and you can print 20 at a time. So right here I've selected 5 customers, and it's showing me that I have selected 5 of the 20 that I can print at one time. Print the selected customers. It will create an Adobe document for you. You can open it or you can save the file. If you choose to open it, you can print the documents. If you have that software on your computer, you can print that document one at a time. Otherwise, DHS has suggested that you go to the customer's progress page. So I'm going to go to 4 test. I'm going to go to the progress page. On the progress page, in the case notes, you will see a case note that says the Education Attainment Report was generated, when and at what time. DHS would like you to copy that case note to the customer's profile in IES. Also, on the customer's progress page down near the bottom, it has the document that was added to the customer's profile. You can open the document from here. If you select File Save As, you can save the name of the file for the customer, save it to your computer. DHS has suggested that it be the N drive, and then you can upload it to IES for that customer. That's all there is to getting an education attainment report for your customers. Thanks for watching.